Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel 2016 training. In this video, we will look at the ways in which we can open existing workbooks. We are on the initial screen, and from here we have an option called Open Other Workbooks. Click on it to select a desired workbook. And from this screen, we can open an existing workbook from OneDrive or SharePoint site or local drive or your network drive. In this example, let me first show you how we can browse to our local file system or network drive. So because both are one and the same, meaning we will go to the same option of browsing, and from here you can, your network drives will be displayed here and also your local drive. So you can browse to your desired drive and pick or select an existing workbook. So in this case, I will select my data.xlsx, that's Excel document, open, boom, we have the Excel document open. Now we can work with your Excel document, save it, and you're done. Now, say for example, you're already in an Excel workbook and you want to open a second workbook to refer to or work with. And from here you could do file open, from here file open, or you could do the shortcut Control O. That will directly take you to the open screen. And from here, say, let me browse and pick another workbook. So I'll go to project one, and from here I'll pick employees, open. So I have employees workbook open. It's not the same window, it's actually two different Excel documents here. As you can see, you have both open. So let me go ahead and close it and show you a third way to open Excel documents. Open your Windows Explorer and then browse to the location where you have your Excel workbooks. So let me go into the project one folder, and as you can see, your operating system actually recognizes the Excel workbooks. Again, it's based on the extension. You can see the type of Microsoft Excel workbook. Double click on the desired workbook and it should launch your workbook directly. You can do the same thing for the orders as well, and it should open another one. So you have two Excel documents open. So that's it, guys. It's a short video, and there are the three ways in which you can open your existing workbooks. Okay, thank you. I'll see you in the next video.